colorful flowers are blossoming in wooden boxes. This is the so-called one-pyeong urban garden made with soil and pebbles filled inside wooden boxes to cultivate flowers. Other tiny urban gardens installed to grow edible vegetables like tomato and perilla as well as herb plants are also noticed.
베란다 텃밭을 한번 만들어 보면서 어제 식구들이 먹을 거를 직접 키워서 먹고 이러면은 아이들한테도 되게 좋은 경험이 될 것 같고.
The green wall fully covered with living plants helps not only to reinvigorate urbanites living surrounded by concrete buildings refreshen, but also to adjust temperature and humidity levels. Such green walls can be applied to the walls of school classrooms. If a wall inside the classroom is decorated with living green plants, the atmosphere will become more pleasant and comfortable.
미세먼지 제거 효과도 있고요. 그다음 식물로 인한 쾌적한 환경을 습도나 공기질 같은 것도 해주다 보니까 아이들의 주의 집중력도 향상시키고.
According to data from the Rural Development Administration, those aged 65 years or older who took part in the state agency's urban farming programs experienced significant improvements in their depression symptoms, and so their cholesterol and body fat levels dropped by 5% and 2% respectively. Also, students who took part in farming showed less aggression and anxiety. The kitchen garden, which was originally created to cultivate food in or around a town or city, has been evolving as a means to improve environments and heal urbanites' mental and physical exhaustion.